Are there any precedents of political figures dying in custody? Yes, there are several notable cases of political figures dying in the custody. Here, the few examples: Mohammad Morsi, Egypt. The former president of the Egypt, Mohammad Morsi, died in the custody in June 2019. He collapsed during a court session and later died. His death raised significant concerns about the conditions of his detention and the lack of the medical care. Sergei Margiti, Russia. Although he was not a political figure himself, but he was a lawyer who he exposed corruption involving Russian officials. He died in Moscow prison in 2009 under the suspicious circumstances, leading to international outcry and establishment of Magnitsky Act in US to sanction human rights offenders. Historical examples are there. In Philippines, a prominent opposition leader, Benjo, was assassinated in 1983 upon his return to Philippines from exile, and he was killed. Steve Biko in South Asia, an activist. He died in police custody in 1977. His death contributed a lot worries on international level, implication and legal repercussion. The deaths of the political figures in custody often led to significant political and legal repercussion, including international condemnations. Such incidents typically draw widespread international condemnation and can lead to sanctions or other diplomatic action. Judicial inquiries: government may initiate judicial inquiries to investigate the circumstances of the death, which could lead to a legal reforms or accountability measures. Human rights advocacies: these cases often become really points of human rights advocacy, leading to increased concerns. These precedents underscores the importance of the securing the safety and good treatment of individuals in the custody, particular who has high political background.